Hello, my name is Megan Dre, and the name of this tutorial is how to access PebbleGo. This tutorial is for kindergarten through second grade teachers. The objectives for this tutorial are teachers will learn how to access PebbleGo, as well as they will learn the features that PebbleGo has to offer. To access PebbleGo, students and teachers will go to Class Link. Students and teachers will use their login credentials from the district. You will then look for the PebbleGo Overland Park icon. Students and teachers will then automatically be logged into PebbleGo through ClassLink. The different topics are animals, biographies, health, science, and social studies. If a student speaks Spanish, there is an orange button at the top that they can click, and the information will be translated into Spanish. The animal icon provides information about different types of animals. For example, if a student wants to learn more about mammals, they would select the mammals tab. They will select the type of mammal they want to learn more about. For example, wildcats. They then will select the specific wildcat that they want to learn more about. For example, tigers. Each animal, there will be information about their body, habitat, food, life cycle, fun facts, and there will be an additional Read More article tab that will provide articles about animals similar to tigers. Students can choose to read the information on their own, or they can select the play button and the information will be read to them. At the bottom, there are buttons to cite the information. There are articles in a PDF format, activities, video. You can listen to the sound that the animal makes, and range shows you where the animal is located in the world. To go back to the home page, there is a PebbleGo button. For biographies, biographies are organized into different types of people and their professions. For example, athletes. If a student wants to learn more about a specific football player, they would select football. And then the person they want to learn more about, for example, Patrick Mahomes. Each biography, there will be an introduction tab as well as an early years tab. And then the additional tabs will be more specific for the person they selected. At the bottom, there are similar features such as sites, article in the form of a PDF, activities, timeline, and a video about the person. Again, the information can be read on their own, or they can click the play button. Health. This information is also organized into different categories, such as feelings and emotions. If a student wants to learn more about what are feelings and emotions, they would click this tab here. At the top are different topics related to what are feelings and emotions. Again, there are similar buttons at the bottom. Science. There are different categories of science. If a student is learning about Earth and space science, they may select this category here. Maybe they are learning about seasons. Fall is coming up, so maybe they want to learn more about fall. Maybe they want to learn about the weather. And then again, there will be tabs at the top related to the topic they selected, as well as the video, activity, article, and site button at the bottom. Last is the social studies tab. There are different categories of social studies. Maybe students are learning about being a good citizen. Maybe they want to learn about sportsmanship. There are different tabs at the top related to sportsmanship. And again, students may choose to read the information on their own or select the play button to hear it read to them. To review, to access PebbleGo, students and teachers will go to class link. They will go to the PebbleGo icon. And then they will select the topic that they want to learn information about. For example, animals, biographies, health, science, and social studies. If a student is Spanish speaking, they can select the orange button at the top, and the information will be translated into Spanish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have additional questions, you can always find me in the library, or my email is megandre@smsd.org. Thank you so much.